In Hindu, Raksha Bandhan is celebrated on Shravana full moon day. In this festival, sister tie Rakhi to his brother's wrist to protect them against evil influence and pray them for their long life and happiness. In return, brothers gives gifts and promising to care and protect their sister from any evil. Hi everyone, happy Raksha Bandhan. My brothers are staying far from me, so I am sending Rakhi to them by courier or post. And with that, I have to send some sweet, right? So, what I'm thinking is like I will make sweet which can stay for 3 to 4 days. I thought of making nut bar or energy bar. It is very easy to make and it will be very tasty. So let's start how to make this dry fruit burfi or energy roll. First, we need to dry roast the nuts. So, I have taken here 1 cup of almonds. So, dry roast this and take it out in a plate, let it cool. So, next is like a half cup of cashews. Dry roast this also, and then 2 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Dry roast this and take this out in a plate, let it cool. Then 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds. Dry roast these things and keep this in a side. And I have taken here dry dates. Yes, it's a dried dates. It's a hard one, so I am breaking this down and removing all the seeds. See, then you have to remove this and break this with your hands how much is possible. Then we have to grind this. For grinding it in mixer jar, it's very difficult because it's hard. So what I'm making is like I'm heating this up, like I'm making this warm, so then it will become little softer, so it for grinding it will be very easy. Why I have taken here is like dry dates is a little bit different taste from the wet one, so it gives little different taste. That's it. You can choose any dates, softer one or a dried one. If you want to use soft dates, no need to heat that one. You can grind that without heating. In the same mixer jar, I have taken your raisins, quarter cup of raisins. No need to heat this one. So I'm going to chop this. You can do this in a knife. It will be very better. So I have grinded this like 1 to 2 whisks. That's it. Then we need to chop the almonds and cashews, but I'm using here blender. You can do this in a knife also. It's better to do this in knife. We are done with the nuts. We have kept ready all the nuts. Now we are going to make the jaggery syrup. For this I have taken some water in a pan and add jaggery. 1 cup of jaggery I have taken. And please choose the darker color one when you buy jaggery. How much darker it is, that much pure it is. So bring this to boil and bring until we get 2 to 3 strings. See, can you see now it's not done yet, it's not perfect 1 or 2 strings. So let's boil some more time, then check in between. Be careful with the hands because it will be too hot, and kept ready the cold water to dip your hands. So see, can you see here, 1 string, perfect 1 string is there. So we can leave for 1 more minute and it will be 2 to 3 string. My hand is burning already, so careful with this. So 2 to 3 strings or 1 string is enough. So the jaggery syrup is also ready. So now we can mix all these together. In a bowl I have taken here raisins which I have chopped it, and chopped almonds and chopped cashews, then dry dates which we have grinded, right? So if you don't want, you can use soft dates. And next is sesame seeds. So we have to mix this with hand properly. It should mix together. Then we will add now jaggery syrup which we have already kept ready. Now at the beginning you have to mix with spoon, combine well. But after little time check if you are able to touch this with the hand, you then mix with the hand. So mix this properly together, then take this mixture on to the kitchen platform and roll this and make a log out of it. Press and roll it, and I have made 3 logs. Now we have to add poppy seeds. We didn't add poppy seeds at the beginning. Now I am going to add this at the end. So sprinkle some poppy seeds, then roll it. It will look nice. Now we will leave this for an hour so the roll will get set. Now it's been an hour. Now we will take a knife and cut this log into small pieces how much you want. So if you want the exact round shape, even you can keep this in a fridge for about 2 hours, then you can make a circle also. It looks nice, different shape. So see how beautiful it is, right? And a healthy, tasty, protein rich buffy, you can call it buffy roll, anything, nuts roll, nuts buffy. It's very easy to make, right? So this is totally optional. I like the cinnamon taste, so I'm adding little cinnamon on top of that, just sprinkling it. No need to add much. A pinch of cinnamon powder. It's totally up to you. If you want to add, you can add. So it's done. See, very delicious, healthy nut bar, nut roll, very easy to make. And why we have to buy from the outside? See, very simple, we can do it in home itself and with lot of love. And when we give this to our brothers, definitely they are going to like this. So sweets are ready. So next thing is Rakhi and gift. So you want to see what all things I have made for Rakhi and gift. So on this special occasion, I always prefer to make Rakhis with by myself, even the gift also. So what I will do is whatever stuffs I have, I will make Rakhis with that, and even the gift also. This time I thought of making some different gift, a photo frame. I have drawn a picture without head and colored it with color pencil. Then I have scanned that and did some Photoshop. Yeah, Photoshop. I know a little bit Photoshop. So then I wrote a letter also. Now it's done. Everything is set, right? Sweet, gift, letter, and main thing is Rakhi. Now it's courier time. I couriered this, posted this, and they also received it. And you want to see what they have sent me a message?
Hi Sapna, wish you happy Raksha Bandhan. I got Rakhi and very happy to say this. And I get your sweet was very nice and tasty. Thank you very much, sister. Thank you.
Hi, hello Sapna. Happy Rakhi Day. Thanks for sending your Rakhi and your homemade sweet also. Very good. Peda is very nice and it is very healthy and tasty. I know you have paired the Rakhi. It is also very nice. Your edited photo also wonder. I am very much offended. I know you are a very good artist.
Swapna tasty. Sweet. Swapna sweet is very tasty. Thank you. ರಕ್ಷಾ ಬಂಧನದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.
ಸಪ್ನ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಕ್ಷಾ ಬಂಧನ್. ನಿನ್ನ ರಾಖಿ ನೋಡಿ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯು. ನೀನು ಕಳಿಸಿರೋ ಸ್ವೀಟು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಇದೇ ಥರ ನಿನ್ನ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲೂ ಖುಷಿ ಇರಲಿ. ಅಣ್ಣನ ಆರೈಕೆ ಸದಾ ನಿನ್ನ ಮೇಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ದಿಸ್ ರಾಖಿ. ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಯು.
Hi Swapnaka. Happy Raksha Bandhana. Thank you for sending the special gift for this occasion. The sweet is so delicious. Once again, happy Raksha Bandhana.
So So let me know how you are celebrating or you celebrated your Raksha Bandhan in the comment section. Okay, see you in the next video. Namaste.